Croeso, welcome to another edition of Blueprint Cymru, where we explore new ideas, innovations for building the future of Wales. In today's podcast, it's just me, Simon Hobson, just sharing a few thoughts. Obviously, if you know anything about Wales or interested in Wales, which we assume you are, otherwise you wouldn't be listening to this, then you'll know that we have a new Senedd and that Plaid Cymru are the largest party in that, with a strong opposition in Reform UK. So one of the things that I think we will have to look out for with the new government in Wales is making sure that it advances and progresses and really does start breaking from the status quo of mindset, limited as though the Senedd is with its devolved powers. Part of that is being part of this new government will be, and there will be a need for, otherwise people are going to be very disappointed, showing that assertiveness, so that by the end of this parliament, if not achieved, it looks like Wales is reaching a parity with its devolved powers with regards to Scotland, at the least. Breaking that status quo of mindset and building the economy is obviously the key to how we advance the conversation of shaping our future. And part of that, I think, is bringing people like myself in the Welsh diaspora, either through investment or back as people back into Wales. Something that the last 26 years of Assembly and Senedd has failed to do, it's safe to say. So with this new government, let's hope they work out what Wales is in an international context and what it wants to tell the world Wales is and wants to be. The other exciting thing that I think we all need to be involved with, and New Wales is particularly keen to push, is how we build a conversation around a constitution for Wales, a Bill of Rights, as it were, so that we know what we are, how we desire to be treated within the United Kingdom and globally. And so that's something that New Wales is pursuing and pushing and supporting where it occurs. Conversations around Wales with community groups, individuals, schools, colleges, all need to be had in bringing together that constitutional convention. And before I go, just remind everybody that we've had some very insightful guests with some great ideas on building the economy, how to win gold medals in international cycling and other sports, how to change the democracy. Something that I keep banging on about and very interested in is digital democracy and getting more people voting through using their telephones. Seems an anathema, I would imagine, to most people, even especially young people. They can't engage with democracy through their phones when they can do everything else. If banking is secure through the phone, and surely voting should be able to be realised that way. And I suppose we might even see, before the end of this parliament, another change to the voting system. Unlikely, but it's needed. Let's say, let's have single transferable vote, like every single commission and advisory panel has ever said is best to have for decent proportional democracy. With that note, I diolch yn fawr for listening, and there'll be more guest appearances of interesting people from all over the planet to discuss their history, connection to Wales, and how they see its future building.